You are creating the best content on YouTube and making a good impression, but still, no one is clicking on your videos. There is a big reason behind it, and that is your thumbnail. Creating a thumbnail requires a lot of thought, like what to do, what to write, what color to use, and so on. What if AI could tell you how to create the perfect thumbnail for your video? In today's video, I will show you how you can create a perfect thumbnail for your video with the help of Chatgpt. First, watch your video carefully and understand its content. Then explain in detail to Chatgpt that your content is about this topic, and ask for suggestions on how to create a thumbnail for it. After that, Chatgpt will understand the theme of your video, and you can ask it which color would be more attractive and suitable for the thumbnail. Once you know the color, make a note of the information. Then ask Chatgpt what text you should write to effectively represent the content. Next, ask about the font you should use for that text. Once you have decided on the text and font, you can ask about the font size so that viewers can read it well without it looking bad. After that, inquire if there is a need for any additional text, like subtitles. If yes, ask how to write it. Then ask about the color of the text. Once you have the complete typography of the thumbnail, it's time to move on to the design and visuals. Finally, ask which photo element you can show in the thumbnail that represents your video well. This way, with the help of Chatgpt, you can create the best, logical, and attractive thumbnail for your video. If you like the video, please like and subscribe, as there are more beneficial videos coming your way.